So this is a brand new stitch which is in a beta, which is introduced by Google. So you can head over to stitch.builtgoogle.com and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this and write, rank your blog. So I'm just going to go here and give a prompt. So I just gave a prompt which is a WordPress custom HTML of Wise Payments Exchange calculator. So first it went on, created a basic calculators. Now if I click here, so this is like a basically Figma design. It's like a front end, pure front end. So here if I click on more and click on view code, I can also download this, but let me just click on the view code. Okay, we even have the export. So let me just click on export, and we can also export it to the Figma, AI Studio, Jules, zip file, code copy to clipboard, MCP. So let me just go here and click on view code, and here we have got the code. Let me just copy it. So once I copy this, I go into my WordPress and I can add a blog article, and here just type here. So you can simply type / and click on custom HTML and paste the HTML, click on preview. Let me just save this and take it to the preview. So if I open the preview, and this is what I get. So we have successfully built a calculator. So let me just go here and test it out if it is functional or not. So right now you can see it is not functional. These buttons are not working, neither this exchange rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Stitch project, and here I have gave make it functional calculator default prices, because we don't want to fetch. In order to fetch in Google, you need to use API, but let's make it easy. So I just said make it functional calculator at default prices, and it went on created me the second page, which is this one. So let me just go here and do the same thing, which is copy code, view code, click on copy code and go back to my WordPress. So let me just go into the ad post, and here click on HTML, replace this HTML with a new one, click on preview and click on save. And let me just take it to the preview, and this is the preview calculator, which is new, written by Stitch. And here if I take this add, change variables, you can see it is going up and is functional. And this is it, guys. This is how you take advantage of Google Stitch and try to improve your blog articles by building tools. This is how you can build the tools in seconds.